That's why a man who has no presence of God is worse than a beast. Worse than a beast. So, a man, God demands love because that is what we reflect. So from a man, love, genuine love. And what kind of love? Unconditional love. Like Christ loved the what? Jesus loved us without any conditions. We didn't deserve anything to be loved. He sacrificed even when the enemies were fighting, even though they were crucifying him, he still loved. That's the love of a man over his wife. A man should love without expecting anything from the wife. The role of a man is just to love unconditionally, to be willing to die for the wife. Because, look, why was a wife part of a man? You know, when God created the man, he created himself in the figure of a man. Then God created a second man's self in a woman. I don't know whether you understand what I'm talking about. We were created from a part of God as men. And God creates a part of a man in a woman. So therefore, a woman is part of the man. So step on a woman, the man is stepping on himself. Because this individual is part of you. Something out of you was taken in the name of a rib to form a woman, meaning she is part of you. So the way you treat her, you are treating yourself. You shout, you are shouting yourself. You mistreat, you are mistreating yourself. So that's why, if you want this woman to love you, what do you put in?